welcome to my channel. Today I come up with a new video which is tips for your success in examination. Most of the student did some mistake in their examination, so this video will help you to do better in your examination. Okay, so we'll start. So examination, any of the examination doesn't mean that is ACC or whatever, but in any of the examination it consists of three parts. First part, first part is before starting your exam, and the second one is after starting of your exam, and the third one, the most important one, towards the end of the exam. So we'll discuss the three parts: before, after the examination, and towards the end of the examination, after starting your examination. Okay, so we'll start from the first one. So what we have to do before starting your test. So we'll go to the first point. So in this we have to remind two things. Okay, in the before one, first thing is what? Overview of the booklet. Of the booklet. Most of us, what we'll do, whenever we'll get the question paper, we'll just start writing our stuff. But it is not good. Just go through with your question paper. Okay. Thereafter, the second point is also a very important point. Budget your composite time. What it means? It means for all competitive exam there is a prescribed time limit or duration in which you have to attempt all the sections of the test paper. So this is also very much important, because in competitive exam, in any exam, time is very much important. Okay. Okay, so we are going in a third part. As like I said, I told you that the portion is after starting your test. Okay. Okay, so what do you have to do after starting your test? Do the sure answers, okay? Don't waste time for guesses in the starting. Okay, the starting time, don't go for the guesses. Okay, the second one is attempt easy question. What? Attempt easy questions. The question whichever seen and you think it is easy for you and you know the answer, attempt the question in first priority. Okay, thereafter, the third one. What is the third one? When you come across a tough question, when you get any tough question, so what do you have to do? Don't waste your time here. Don't waste your time. Okay, just skip it and move for the another question. Okay. Okay, the next thing is speed. It is a very important thing, because if you don't have speed, you are not going to cover your paper. Okay, you will left questions. Speed is very much very important, very important. Okay, S- speed and accuracy. Okay, the one more thing, accuracy. Okay, so we'll go for our next point. So what is our next point? Give me some time, I'll just rub it and I'll write here what is our next point. Okay, so the next point is when you skip in hard questions. Okay, so the fifth one is when you skipping any hard question. So what do you have to do that time? Because I told you earlier that go for the easiest one. Okay, don't waste your time for the hard one. Okay, if you skip any hard question, be sure to skip that serial number on your answer sheet, because in OMR most of the time what is 1 2 3 4, the sequence is like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here's the options like A B C. Sometimes we'll just skip that third one, but whenever we are marking here, we just mark the fourth one's answer in the third one, like we did this portion black. Okay, so don't do this kind of mistakes in your examination. Okay, it is a very important thing. Okay, so for the fifth one, and now the turn is for the sixth one. What about intelligent guessing? Guessing is also important, because I don't think we know every questions in examination. Sometimes we're stuck somewhere and we lost our thinking power. So that's why sometimes guessing is also important thing in examination. But don't go for the guessings in first. Okay, guessing is the last option. Okay, so guessing is also important, because many times we skip question and we don't remember the exact answer. But some the guessing is what the exact thing is guessing. We have learned and we have read it, the thing somewhere else, but we are in some doubt. Okay, so whatever you know about the thing, you'll just mark it the answer. Okay, on the basis of that, whenever you are doing guesses, mark the answer which you heard. Okay, don't go for the random answers, it will be make you in trouble. Okay, okay, the seven tips is what: save fraction of seconds, save your time, as earlier I told you, save fraction of seconds. So what will be the help of fraction of second? Because you know what, if you are sparing 10 milliseconds and the thing, at the end it will become 1 minute and all. Okay, in competitive exam it values a lot. Okay, so go for the easy questions first, and don't stuck in the hard question, and don't puzzle your mind. Okay, so that's why spare your fraction of second, which will be helpful at last time. Okay, at last time, go for the hard question. Especially in English examination, in ICE you don't have much time, because there is a 120 question and you have only how many minutes, 60 minutes. Okay, and it is very tough at that time, because there is some rearranging comprehensions at there, so you have to take very much time. Okay, and the one more thing, cover all sections, don't left any question, because I think you all know that there is a no negative marking. So cover all sections, there is a no, there is a no negative marking. Okay, so attempt all questions. Okay, so at the last but not the least, the last is what I told you at the beginning, toward the end of the test. Okay, so what we have to do toward the end of the text test, okay, or examination. So what you have to do in the last time? Okay, so check your unanswered questions. Okay, what? Check your unanswered questions. Okay, therefore check any double answer, check any double answer, but it is applicable on in only case of subjective, because in objective, in OMR sheet, if you did any double answer, that will consider as a wrong answer. Okay, if you make two circles black, then the question, the answer will be not considered. Okay, so be careful about the OMR sheets. Okay, and therefore check the ovals. Okay, check the ovals. It's very much important for the OMR, because sometime we are making circle like this and the computer will not take this and will not get any marks for that question. Okay, and finally, at the last, what we have to do, this is very important, check your roll number or whatever your index number, or maybe some code number, what you have given the instructions from your supervisor, so follow it. Okay, so this is a little thing in an examination what you have to do. Sometime we get puzzled, so that's why I just made this video, and I think it will surely helpful for you. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Jai Hind.